Today we're checking out my cool new versatile sleep mask. What? You didn't know a sleep mask could be versatile? Just you wait, it's Bluetooth. The sleep mask comes shipped to your door in a cute little box with a giant hint to one of the cool features. No, it's not on the back of the box. Inside the box, you have a user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and lastly, my new Bluetooth sleep mask. The sleep mask is nice and stretchy, making it easy to form to any head shape. The sleep mask has soft and padded headphones on the sides. I'm a side sleeper, and it's comfy to wear. To connect your phone, push and hold the button in the middle. It powers on and enters pairing mode. Find your device and pair it with the phone. Then you're good to go. Find your music or podcast and click play. The speakers start playing and it really doesn't sound too bad for a sleep mask. On the front, you can pause your music as well as turn it up and down. On the loudest setting, it gets pretty loud. Probably too loud for sleeping, but impressive. It also advertises that it works as a stylish sports headband, so I gave it a shot. I don't know about you, but I think I rocked it. Although I looked great with it, I prefer it as a sleep mask. It helps when you want to sleep in a little bit and the sun is rising, or if you want to take that midday nap, or if you have to drown out the noise of a snoring partner or annoying midnight kitty zoomies. I have even been using it without the headphones playing anything. I had a migraine for half the day and I tried so many different things. Finally, I gave the sleep mask a shot. It puts just enough pressure on the eyes and the rest of the head that it helped ease the pain. I didn't listen to music, just laid there with the sleep mask. It felt so nice that I finally fell asleep, and when I woke up, my migraine was gone. So yeah, there's so many reasons to use this versatile sleep mask. So if you're looking for a peaceful slumber, this Bluetooth sleep mask might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go take a nap. See ya.